Hello everyone. Today I am decided everyone on YouTube, let's try to speak. Now I'm trying to speak with my daily routine on daily basis. So without any delay I want to start. Today in my lunch you can clearly see here lemon, and I like to take lemon with my lunch. Like today I have rice and paneer. Today I eat it. Okay. If you also going to eat paneer and rice, then please try lemon in paneer. Its taste is too much different, but I like it. इस तरह से आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. जो भी आप करने जा रहे हो उसको ट्राई करो कि इंग्लिश में बोलो. आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. यू कैन आल्सो ट्राई इट. ओके. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इट because I am too much famished. Here you can see in my plate lemon, rice and paneer. Looking too much pretty now. Yeah. I want to try it without any delay. So I will meet you after finishing my lunch. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकती. I cannot wait because I am too much famished का मतलब मुझे बहुत तेज़ भूख लगी है. So you can also try this word famished, okay, at the place of hungry. It was too much delicious. I like it. So guys, if you want to eat, then eat. This is for you guys. Yeah. English is not a big deal. We can speak. Just it what practice on daily basis. So today I'm deciding that I'm doing everything, and I also promise to myself I do everything and speak in English. If I don't know English, then I still try because I want to learn and speak English fluently. So guys, I will meet you after finishing my lunch. So I finished my lunch. Now I'm going to study. Like this, you can also try to speak English. Okay, just think on your daily routine. Like if you are going for study, then first, if you are UP board student, then it is not a big deal. Just अगर आप पढ़ने जा रहे हो, मैं पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ, क्या होगा ऐसा सोचो. इंग्लिश में क्या होगा. ये प्रेजेंट में है तो इसमें रहा रही है आ रहा है, तो इसमें इज़ आर एम का यूज़ होगा. तो आप सिंपली कह सकते हो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी. इस तरह से आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन. यू कैन आल्सो इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. सो गाइज, आई होप you enjoyed my video a lot. By this you can also speak English. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye everyone. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share.